Imagine this, it's that time of the night when the hunger strikes and the choices usually lean towards the not so healthy option. But what if I gave you 3 delicious recipes that not only satisfy those late night cravings but also support your fitness goals? But before we dive into the recipes, I'll share with you 5 reasons on why this pre-bedtime treat can be a game changer for your health journey. Stick around as you will discover the importance of protein in muscle building and why Skyr is such a great snack pre-bedtime. Let's get cooking. The first reason is Skyr's impressive protein content. On average, 0% fat Skyr typically contains around 11 to 13 grams of protein per 100 grams. The exact protein content can vary slightly between different brands and variations. This protein is mainly casein, which delivers a sustained release of amino acids, promoting muscle health and efficient recovery. Positive protein balance, the muscle builder. The second reason is that Skyr contributes to the total daily protein intake and helps us to stay in a positive protein balance. Imagine your muscles as a construction site, constantly building and repairing. Positive protein balance is like having all the necessary construction materials readily available, ensuring continuous progress without delays or setbacks. When we talk about positive protein balance, we mean there is more protein available than the amount broken down during activities and the daily life. Now let's relate it to muscle building. When your body has more protein than it breaks down, it can use this surplus protein to build and repair muscle, promoting growth and strength. It's like having extra bricks at the construction site. You can expand and reinforce the structure. In the context of Skyr, its slow digesting nature provides a sustained release of this essential amino acid, maintaining that positive protein balance over an extended period. For muscle recovery, positive protein balance is equally crucial. After intense workouts or daily wear and tear, your muscles need repairing. Having a surplus of protein ensures that they have the necessary bricks to mend and grow stronger. Choosing Skyr supports this delicate balance, making it a reliable ally in your muscle building and recovery journey. Reason number 3. Essential nutrients. Beyond protein, Skyr offers a wealth of essential nutrients like calcium and B vitamins. These contribute to overall bone and teeth health, supporting your general well-being. Opting for Skyr isn't just about protein, it's about a comprehensive nutritional boost. Reason number 4. Versatility. Skyr's versatility shines through. It's not confined to a single role. Whether in sweet treats or savory dishes, Skyr effortlessly integrates into various recipes. When you bring Skyr into your kitchen, you unlock a world of culinary possibility. Reason number 5. Nighttime muscle support. Consuming Skyr 30 to 60 minutes before sleep ensures a consistent flow of amino acids throughout the night. Casein, taking approximately 5 to 7 hours to be completely digested, aligns perfectly with your body's overnight rejuvenating process. This steady supply is particularly beneficial for muscle repair and growth during sleep. Now that we know how good Skyr is, let's put it into action with these 3 delicious recipes. For our first recipe, I'm using 150 grams of 0% fat Skyr. It sometimes tends to split a bit, so give it a good stir to bring back the creamy texture. Once you have it ready, transfer it into a bowl and add 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. I'm also adding 50 grams of fresh raspberries, you could use also frozen, that would be completely fine, and 15 grams of 85% dark chocolate chips. And simple as that, this is our first recipe ready, with a calorie content just below 200 calories. Here is the nutritional information for this recipe. For the second recipe, I am using half medium-sized mango. I will peel it and cut it into random-sized chunks. You should weigh around 80 grams once it's prepared. Mango is a great choice as it is packed with antioxidants, contains a good amount of fiber, and it rates low in the glycemic index. Once it's ready, we are using 150 grams of 0% fat Skyr, and we will repeat the same drill as before. Once we transfer it into the bowl, lay the mango over the Skyr and we will add 40 grams of blueberries. You could use fresh or frozen blueberries. The same goes for the mango, it could even be frozen. To finish it off, I will use 15 grams of honey. This quick and simple recipe is just 200 calories. Here is the nutritional information. For our last recipe, I am using 1 apple. I will use a grater, but you could chop instead if you prefer. I like the texture of the apple grated once it is mixed with the Skyr. Apple is also a great option as it rates low in the glycemic index. It contains a good amount of fiber and it is very filling. I will transfer the Skyr into a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half of the grated apple, and combine everything with a spoon. I will make a little bowl with the other half of the apple and place it on top to make it look a little bit nicer. I will then finish the recipe off with 15 grams of maple syrup. This recipe is also just below 200 calories. Here is the nutritional information for this recipe. Any of these choices will definitely help you feel fuller at night and will support your muscle building while you sleep. If you like this video, remember to like, subscribe and comment if you have any questions. If you want a great overnight oats recipe, check the first link in the description below, and I will also put there a couple of my favorite healthy snacks. See you in the next video, bye bye.